Testing audio. It's 2024 and you're trying to find like a camera that you can use, you know, to create content. Like if you're just starting out. And I must say that most times you have that camera on you like every day, and that is your phone. But typically my camera of choice is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, I'm a case person. So I'm like, yo, might as well show you guys that, yeah, this camera is the perfect type of camera to walk with if you're going to create content, you get me? So let's go on a little trip. Well, I'm going on a road vibe up in the hills. Bro, what are you doing? I'm going on road vibes up in the hills to get some food. The place is called Pretty Close. It's a very interesting place. So I'm going to show you what I can capture with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Okay, so I'm actually heading to the location right now. I'm up all the way up in Garden Town. Right, a good little height, but alright, so I have to legit park like a good little distance. So I head in this direction, which most people wouldn't know really, but yeah. Oh, the smell nice already. Okay, oops. So Abraham when I kitchen a cook up a storm. Ready for this food journey. Alright, so I don't even know the audio sound of the river water, but I am going to switch to the phone. You get me? So everything that you're going to see after this is going to be shot with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's go. Alright, so actually using the iPhone audio, you get me? Because typically you're not going to really like walk with a mic every time, but this is not connected to the iPhone. But yo, your phone is like a to-go camera for you. You get me? This place is so amazing. Like your phone is like a to-go camera. Yo, outdoors, so nice. Yeah? I love the center up here, isn't it? You know, smell like in a town. Beard, carbon and all them places.
Yeah, them four are runners have to eat. I don't want to just deal with them and done, but she's not gone again.
You might not place it properly. Ah, yeah man, this nice one.